Earlier on Feel Good Mornings with Sam and Travis.
You would have seen the unicorn frappuccino. So now there's another one, apparently called the narwhal frappuccino.
Oh, enough with these names. I feel like you could stick like a cute little name behind anything and it would be like, oh my, I gotta grab that trend. Unicorn everything.
Watch, I'll do a unicorn sneeze.
Oh,
did you see the colors?
It's a unicorn sneeze.
A unicorn sneeze. Oh, here comes another one.
Another one? Wow. Oh, that came out the other end, didn't it?
Excuse me.
Sam Stevens, Travis Stewart. Feel Good Mornings with Sam and Travis. Weekdays 6 to 10 on Peggy at 99.1.